Now we start with the Geo 9th class. आपका चैप्टर ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर क्योंकि इसमें छोटी छोटी बातें हैं. दिस चैप्टर कंसिस्ट ऑफ वेरी स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स एंड यू लर्न ऑल दिस थिंग्स. नाउ इन 9th क्लास देयर इज द लास्ट लेक्चर. इसके बाद एक और लेक्चर होगा, सेकेंड लास्ट लेक्चर है ये. इसके बाद जो लेक्चर है दैट इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट वन. So now we start with the geography 9th class, and the topic is India, Indian neighbors. Indian neighbors. You learn all these neighbors. These neighbors is very important. If we draw our India rough figure, India have two type of boundaries. India have two type of boundaries. Two type of boundaries. One is land boundary. One is land boundary, and another one is water boundary. Water boundary. These two things are there. This is the land boundary in which share we these areas. This is called your water boundary. Okay. Now, first of all, India's neighbor, India neighbor who shares land boundary. Who shares land boundaries. There are 7 neighbors who share land boundary. India have 7 neighbors. 7 neighbors who shares land boundary. Land boundaries. These are first, as you know, Pakistan. If you see the map, you get the location of the Pakistan. This is the location of the Pakistan, and Pakistan shares its boundary with the Jammu Kashmir. Pakistan shares boundary with J&K, Rajasthan, and Punjab. Very important thing. You learn all these things. Pakistan share boundaries with the J&K, Rajasthan, and the Punjab. Second is Afghanistan. Afghanistan is also there above the Pakistan. It shares boundary with Jammu Kashmir. It shares boundary with J&K. Very important thing. Afghanistan, and it shares. It is the smallest boundary. It is the smallest boundary. This is also important कि हमारी सबसे छोटी जो बाउंड्री है वो अफगानिस्तान के साथ शेयर की जाती है. तो अफगानिस्तान it shares boundary with the J&K. Afghanistan. Now, third one is very important. Bangladesh is also important. It shares boundary mainly with West Bengal. और लार्जेस्ट बाउंड्री है बांग्लादेश की हमारे साथ जो बाउंड्री शेयर कर रहा है. दैट इज द लार्जेस्ट बाउंड्री शेयर्स बाय द बांग्लादेश. यू लर्न दीज थिंग्स. थर्ड इज बांग्लादेश. फोर्थ वन इज बांग्लादेश, एंड फोर्थ वन इज Bhutan. It shares boundary it shares boundary with Sikkim. Very important. Bhutan. Then fifth is Nepal. Nepal. It shares boundary with Nepal shares with Uttarakhand, UP and Bihar, and also with Sikkim. So Nepal is also an important neighbor of our country. It shares boundary with the Uttarakhand, UP, Bihar and the Sikkim. Now the sixth one is Tibet, which is southwest China. Sixth one is southwest China. It is Tibet. It also shares boundary with us. It also shares boundary with Nepal, Bhutan, etc. Very important. And seventh one and the last is Myanmar. Earlier it is known as Burma. Burma. It shares boundary with the East states. It shares boundary with East state. So these are very important factors, that how many neighbors we are. We have 7 neighbors. We have 7 land neighbors, and you learn all these neighbors. First one is again right. First one is Pakistan. Second one is Afghanistan. Third one is China or Tibet. Here we have Tibet. And fifth one is Myanmar. Sixth one is Bhutan. And seventh one is Bangladesh. So these 7 very important countries which shares land boundary. And now the country which shares water boundary with us. I named them and you learn all these things. 7 countries which shares water boundaries. These are first Sri Lanka. You all know Sri Lanka. Important thing is in the NCERT that it is separated by Gulf of Mannar. It is separated by India. From Gulf of Mannar. Means here is the Sri Lanka, and in this way we have Gulf of Mannar. This is known as Gulf of Mannar, Gulf की खाड़ी. ठीक है. Second one is श्रीलंका के बाद है आपका Maldives is important. It is present. Yeah, it is appear. It is in north of Lakshadweep. Maldives also shares water boundaries. Second is Maldives. First is Sri Lanka. Third one is Bangladesh. Fourth one is Pakistan. Fifth one is Myanmar. Sixth one is Thailand. Thailand, and seventh one is Indonesia. Indonesia. These Thailand, Indonesia shares boundary with Andaman and Nicobar, and Maldives shares boundary with Lakshadweep. Very important. And you know Bangladesh shares boundary with the West Bengal. Andaman Nicobar also, Pakistan also shares its water boundary with us, and Myanmar also shares the water boundary with us. So I hope you get all these things. This is not the things to understand. Just you remember this for your whole life, and this is very important. And this chapter is very important for the behalf of the data. So you learn it, and thank you.